Alright, good evening. My starter went out on my Duromax XP12000EH and finally got it out. Wanted to make a video. I couldn't find anything on YouTube about these starters and how to take them out and replace them. So don't do like I did. I started pulling out all the bolts out of the back end of the starter. This basically took the motor out, exposed all the windings, the rotor and the stator. So then I took bolts out, attaching this part, this off this way, and then I realized that this whole front housing cowling was still inside the engine here. And that comes with a new starter when you order one. So I had to remove this whole electrical panel and then the panels on the side to get to the screws of the back of the starter. Don't do all that. What you gotta do is come around to this side. You gotta take off the pull start, and then you got to take off this housing right here. To do that, I had to take off this air filter. There's a couple of bolts inside. There's one in the back down there, right down in there. It's actually a nut that comes off. You just have to pull that to the side, and you take off this housing right here, and you'll see that there's actually two bolts that go in from this direction into the starter. One goes in right there, that guy, and one goes in right here. Those are, I believe, 10mm bolts. You take those two out and the whole starter comes out. And all you have to do is disconnect the electrical connections. You don't have to take off any of this panel back here, on the side panel to get a screwdriver in, and you'll keep your whole starter together as one assembly. Hope this helps somebody.